He's coming in. Actually, it might be. So it might be. You can't have the certificate.
Since it started, the motor's been out of it.
Before we head out. Good.
Made 6:30.
All right, y'all have fun, man.
Yeah. Walk to Super Street right there, so we'll see. But we'll be back in a minute. I hear you. We'll see what happens. He'll probably get me, but we'll see. Good luck.
Is that it?
Race I've had so far. By far.
You just started walking.
I gotta look at the
That's
brand
why
shoulder.
when we get to about buck 30, I just let off because I noticed I started pulling pretty good. So. I didn't know if you wanted to chase me.
Oh, I couldn't have caught you. I mean, you were just pulling hard,
That's
so I had no chance in